Welcome back to our channel. Today we will delve into the crucial distinction between goals and non-goals in projects. Understanding this difference is key to achieving project success. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies for understanding the significance of non-goals and striking the delicate balance between goals and non-goals in a project. Whether you're a project manager, team member, or an aspiring project enthusiast, the next minutes will provide valuable insights for you. By the way, at the end of the video, we have a special treat for you. It's our way of showing appreciation for our viewers. As we dive deeper into the topic at hand, we will share an exclusive bonus tip that has the potential to make a significant impact on your projects. This additional advice is designed to complement the main content and provide you with an extra edge. But, first things first. When starting a project, it's important to set clear goals. Those specific, measurable, and achievable objectives that guide your project's direction and define its success. However, equally significant are non-goals, often overlooked but equally impactful. Goals represent the desired outcomes, the milestones to be reached. They provide focus, clarity, and a sense of purpose. So what about non-goals? Well, they encompass the activities, features, or results that are deliberately excluded from the project scope. By identifying non-goals, you gain valuable clarity on what your project should not entail, avoiding scope creep and ensuring efficient resource allocation. Non-goals can be just as essential as goals, helping you streamline your efforts and stay on track. While setting goals is a well-known aspect of project management, it is equally crucial to grasp the significance of non-goals and effectively navigate their role in project success. Let us dive deeper into non-goals and explore practical strategies to leverage them for optimal project outcomes. Here are our top 5 tips how to effectively set your non-goals in a project. Number 1. Define non-goals with clarity. Just as setting clear goals is essential, explicitly defining non-goals is equally important. Identify and articulate what falls outside the project's scope. For example, let's say you are planning a small project to bake a cake for a special occasion. Some non-goals for this project might include things like decorating the kitchen, creating a new recipe for cookies, or organizing a bake sale. These tasks might be important in their own right, but they are not directly related to the goal of baking a cake and should not be given the same level of attention or resources. Number 2. Focus and streamline project efforts. Non-goals play a vital role in maintaining project focus. By deliberately excluding certain activities, features, or objectives, you can streamline efforts and allocate resources more efficiently. This allows you and your team to concentrate on what truly matters and avoid unnecessary distractions. Number 3. Prevent mission creep. The so-called mission or scope creep occurs when a project gradually expands beyond its intended scope, leading to delays and resource drain. Non-goals act as guardrails, preventing the project from veering off track. Regularly refer to your defined non-goals to ensure project alignment and prevent mission creep. Number 4. Embrace strategic decision-making. Incorporate non-goals into your decision-making process. When faced with choices or requests that fall outside the project's defined boundaries, evaluate them against your non-goals. This strategic approach ensures that decisions align with the project's core objectives and prevent scope expansion. Number 5. Communicate non-goals effectively. Effective communication is crucial when it comes to non-goals. Ensure that all stakeholders, including the project team and relevant parties, are aware of the non-goals. Clearly explain the rationale behind these exclusions and highlight how they contribute to project efficiency and success. And now, as promised, let's go the extra mile that often makes all the difference. Number 6. Evaluate risks and trade-offs. Consider the potential risks and trade-offs associated with non-goals. While excluding certain elements may have benefits, it's important to evaluate any potential downsides. Assess the impact of non-goals on project outcomes, resources, timelines, and stakeholder satisfaction to make informed decisions. Number 7. Adapt and reassess as needed. Project dynamics change over time, and what may have been non-goals initially might become relevant later on. Continuously reassess and adapt your non-goals as the project progresses. Be open to modifying the boundaries while ensuring that any changes align with the project's overarching vision. And that wraps it up. If you enjoyed this video and found value in our bonus advice, feel free to ask questions and comment.